Hello everyone! Today, we'll take a look at the best 5 electric panini presses in the market for 2024. I've curated this list based on my personal opinion, and I'll help you find the right one for your needs. Stay tuned to see the most up-to-date prices and find out more information about these panini presses. Before we dive into today's video, please consider supporting us by hitting the like button. Because this is a new channel, your like helps our channel grow. So let's get started. We will start our video with Cuisinart Panini Press. Introducing the Cuisinart Panini Press Stainless Steel Griddler, a versatile 5-in-1 kitchen essential. With its superior performance, it functions as a contact grill, panini press, full grill, full griddle, and half grill/half griddle. The 11-inch x 9-inch reversible nonstick cooking plates are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Equipped with red/green indicator lights, adjustable temperature controls, and a sturdy panini-style handle, this griddler offers custom control for perfect results every time. Plus, it comes with a dishwasher-safe scraping tool and gourmet recipe manual. Backed by a limited 3-year warranty, this BPA-free appliance ensures both convenience and peace of mind. Next one is Taylor Swoden 10-in-1 Panini Press. Introducing the Taylor Swoden 10-in-1 Panini Press, a culinary powerhouse designed to revolutionize your cooking experience. With its versatile 10-in-1 cooking options, including contact grill, panini press, full griddle, and more, this appliance offers endless culinary possibilities. The digital control panel with LED touchscreen allows for precise cooking adjustments, while the large 12.7-inch by 8.8-inch cooking plates can be flattened 180 degrees for maximum efficiency. Featuring a non-stick coating and easy-to-clean design, this panini press ensures hassle-free cooking and maintenance. Plus, with safety features and a 1-year warranty, you can cook with confidence. Elevate your kitchen game with the Taylor Swoden 10-in-1 Panini Press sandwich maker today. Move on to the next one, Hamilton Beach Panini Press. Introducing the Hamilton Beach Panini Press, an easy way to create delicious hot sandwiches and more at home. With its cafe-style floating hinge lid, it accommodates various sandwich thicknesses. Grill burgers, steaks, veggies, and more on its non-stick surface. Cleanup is a breeze with dishwasher-safe parts. Enjoy restaurant-quality meals affordably and store easily with its compact design. Elevate your cooking with Hamilton Beach. Now let's talk about Elite Gourmet Panini Press. Introducing the Elite Gourmet Nonstick Panini Press and Indoor Grill, a versatile kitchen essential. With its unique hinge design, effortlessly switch between a 180 degrees flat indoor grill and a panini press for crispy sandwiches. Compact and quick, it's perfect for snacks or dinner. The large 9-inch by 10.5-inch cooking surface and 1000-watt dual heat zones ensure fast cooking. Cleanup is easy with non-stick plates and a tilt-up design. Safety tested and backed by a 1-year warranty, cook with confidence. Elevate your meals with the Elite Gourmet Panini Press and Indoor Grill. Last one of our list is Chefman Electric Panini Press. Introducing the Chefman Electric Panini Grill, a versatile appliance for satisfying your cravings quickly and easily. With the push of a button, switch between pressing custom sandwiches or grilling burgers, steaks, and veggies with its 180 degrees opening feature. The floating hinge adjusts to accommodate any sandwich size, while the compact design fits perfectly in small kitchens, dorms, or even on road trips. Cleanup is a breeze with its tilt-up design and non-stick coated grill plates. UL approved for safety and backed by a 1-year warranty, you can cook worry-free. Elevate your meals with the Chefman Electric Panini Grill. We reached the end of this video. I hope like these best 5 electric panini presses. Please hit the like button and subscribe for more content and drop a comment below. Your support means a world to me. Thank you for watching.